Stop and think. When was the last time you saw a post without an image when scrolling through Facebook or Instagram? You probably can't think of one, and that's okay. In this video, we are going to explore the reasons why 80% of marketers use a visual asset in their social media posts. The first reason is that images are memorable. When people hear information, they're likely to remember only 10% of that information 3 days later. However, if a relevant image is paired with that same information, people retain 65% of the information 3 days later. Our brains are wired to remember visual content better than written. So by pairing your written content with the right image, you will help them to retain the information you are giving them. This will help them to learn about you, your business, and what you offer much quicker. Therefore, you are able to communicate your message much faster. Reason number 2 is that images catch attention. Facebook posts with images see 2.3 times more engagement than those without. Images make your post stand out. Bright colours and a scene draws you in and is always going to make you stop scrolling. The first challenge of marketing is to get the attention of the viewer. With a great photo, you are straight over that hurdle. Once people stop and look at your posts, they will start to engage with it. The algorithm will flag it as a popular post and show it to more people. The more eyes you have on your business, the more chances you have to make a sale. And that's what we all want. Time is a precious resource, which is another reason people love images. It saves them time. You can get a message or a story from a photo much faster than from reading a paragraph of text. A picture speaks 1,000 words. And it can save you time too. By creating a plan for what visual content you need each week and setting aside a couple of hours to create that content, you end up saving hours of scrolling through stock sites and checking the terms of use. By using photos to share a message or tell a story, you can save time on writing out long-form copy for your posts. Let the amazing photo speak for you. Reason 4. People can see what the product looks like. 67% of consumers said that the quality of a product image is very important in selecting and purchasing a product. In the modern day of buying anything and everything online, your customers want to know exactly what they are getting. Without clear pictures of your product shown from different angles, your customer is not going to know what they are getting and will quickly lose interest in buying. Make sure to include some close-ups to show details as well. The final reason why you need to be using photos is because they help to create connections. Even with what we believe are logical decisions, the very point of choice is arguably always based on emotion. As we have already said, photos are more memorable and can help you to share the message with your audience. It can also share and evoke emotions in your audience. This helps to create connections with them because you will seem more real. Sharing photos of yourself will also help to show that you are real and give you the opportunity to share your personality, which only allows for deeper connections to form. So these are the 5 reasons why you need to use photos in your marketing. I will drop some links in the description for you to check out for more information on how to ensure your photos are sharing the right message and showing off your products in the best light. Thanks for watching. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to get notified when I share my next video.